Holding in a sneeze could actually make your brain bleed. Seriously? Ever held in a sneeze to be polite? You're not just being nice, you might be risking your health. Sound crazy? Right, but it's true. Doctors have reported cases where a blocked sneeze caused ruptured blood vessels, torn throat muscles, even brain aneurysms. You know why? Sneezing builds up pressure, up to 20 times more than normal. Stopping that pressure can force air into places it should never go, like your skull or lungs. So next time, don't hold back. Let that sneeze fly, and follow Fact in Time for more body-saving facts.